Good morning. Today we're going to talk about our exclusive tank exchange program. If for whatever reason the resin goes bad inside the tank and it needs to be replaced, we make it very, very easy. We have a very unique tank adapter that screws on top of all of our resin tanks, and it connects to the control valve with this special nut right here. So what we do is we come out to the house, put the unit in bypass without any tools. We just unscrew the control valve, lift it off. This stays basically connected to the wall. We slide this tank on out, slide a brand new tank back on in, line it up, put our exclusive quick connect back down on your control valve, onto the mineral tank from the control valve. Step the unit through cycles, and now you've got a brand new tank. What it does is it cuts back on the amount of time that we're in your home, and it really cuts down on the expense because we're able to take the tank then back to the shop, rebed it, and get it ready to go out again. So it's very unique. The tank adapter that you can't see, but it screws onto the top of all of our tanks, and then our special quick connect nut right here. Again, no tools are needed. And if you're a do-it-yourselfer, by all means, you could call us up and say, I'm ready for my tank exchange because the resin something has happened with. You could actually swing by the shop, pick it on up, and do this all yourself. It's very simple to do. But it's just another unique thing that Aqua Systems does to save you money and make servicing even easier. If you have any questions, just reach out and give us a call. We're happy to help you. Thanks.